Hey guys, so some of you may not know that I actually started my career off as a photographer. I did some Chaldean events, some weddings, some christenings, some gender reveals, some portraits, some family sessions. I did almost all of it. I even shot for Amazon while I was still capturing photos. Now, when I needed to deliver those photos to my clients, just like everybody else, I started off using Dropbox or Google Drive because it was free. That was until I found out about this online gallery that was beautiful and had beautiful layouts. And their name is Pic-Time, and they are the sponsors of today's video. Pic-Time is an online gallery and delivery platform that give you and your clients a high-end experience. They have so many beautiful layouts, and I know because I use them. Now, one feature that I'm really excited for is their ability to deliver videos. So if you're a wife and husband or photo and video team, you now can deliver everything just off one platform, which is amazing. Now, with that being said, the only formats that you can upload for your videos is MP4 or .movie files. Now, they also have a mobile app where you can do everything from your phone. They have slideshows. They have a layout for blogs that you can actually SEO optimize, and art gallery to sell your prints directly from your website with over 30 different print labs. So you do have some options. I've used those as well. I sold a few, and the quality of those labs are fire. Now, they do have a couple other features that I like: automation and CRM integrations. And that just tells me that the small amount of time that I've been away from Pic-Time, they have become this amazing all-in-one platform. And this just had to happen recently because I haven't used them in maybe about 1 or 2 years. When I started to use them, they were not fleshed out like they are now. And I'm very impressed. Also, if your video files are too massive to upload, you can actually host them externally through Vimeo, through YouTube, and other hosting platforms. Now, to test this feature, I uploaded a wedding film that I recently delivered to my clients, and they loved it. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna show you a bit of it right now so we can see how it looked inside their galleries. Okay guys, so when you're ready to deliver your wedding film, the gallery is gonna look like this for your client. And what you'll do, you'll just scroll down, select play. So that's pretty much how your gallery will look. And if you got multiple videos to deliver, you could just really upload them all to here. Now, to me, they actually look pretty good. And I'm actually surprised because like most videographers, I use VidFlow to deliver my wedding films, but now I might actually switch to just using Pic-Time. And also their upload speed seem way faster as well. Now, to give some context of the photos you're about to see, a family member of mine asked me to capture their grandmother's 90th birthday, and of course I said yes, because that is a huge milestone. So I shot her entire birthday party on my Fujifilm X-T5 on the Blu-ray 24mm sniper, which is f1.2, with a Godox flash. Now I'm gonna show you how to go back and actually set up that gallery, but I'm gonna do it with photos. So this is my friend's grandmother's birthday. As you can see, the gallery name is her name plus her birthday. And you can go down here to select cover photo designs. And I selected this one because I really do like it. But I did have this one first, but there are like so many different ones you could choose. You could just go through, select which one you think fits best. And like I said, I like that one a lot. And then the next thing we're about to do is go to photos and media. And if you want, you can actually upload photos and videos to the same gallery. So don't forget that. So if, like I said, if you're a husband and wife team or girlfriend, boyfriend or whatever who shoot photos and videos for weddings, you can upload everything to one spot, which is awesome. So that means when you deliver your photos, you deliver your videos at the same time, and our couples have one place to download everything, which is amazing. Now I can go to gallery setup, and I usually leave all my galleries private because I don't host them on my website anymore. But if you want to, you can actually make a portfolio page and actually set that page or embed that page onto your website. But like I said, I just don't do it. You can allow sharing for Facebook and emails. One thing I always do come in here and make sure I check is allow free high resolution downloads. And once you go into that setting, you just click it, make sure it's all clicked, and then you hit apply. And then it'll make those changes right away. Same thing with video. If you go in here, allow free featured video downloads. And you can select only the main client can download, main clients and photographers invited, or everybody can download. Depending on the photographer, I would choose main clients and photographer invited. I wouldn't choose anybody else. And then you just hit apply. And then automations and discounts. If you want to set discounts, say on print, say if somebody loved their photos a lot and they want a print version or a hard copy physical version of it, they can order prints directly from your gallery, or sorry, directly from their gallery. And you can start special promotions for it or special discounts for it all through here. Now for the vendor page, you can use this to add different vendors to your gallery. So let's say me and Orange Blossom Photography did a wedding together. If I wanted to, if she got her photos done around the same time I got my video done, I can actually send her my video and she could upload that to her photo gallery. So like I said, everything can be downloaded at one time. And I'm pretty sure I showed an example of that in the video already. Then we come down to share. I already showed you guys, I like to share my videos through, I like to share my galleries through links. So what I would do is just get a link and I would text them the link and they could just look through everything on their phone because it's much more convenient. Workflow, I usually don't do nothing with. Dashboard, I usually don't do anything with. But like I said, if they want prints, they could just visit the store. Through the gallery, it's already set up and they can select what kind of prints they want. And then as soon as they order their prints, they go directly to the lab they chose or you chose, and the order starts to get fulfilled. But they have different options on here. And then if you want to preview gallery, you just select that to see how everything looks, and it'll just bring you right back to your gallery. And then after that, you're good to go. So like I mentioned earlier, I'm excited to be using Pic-Time again. I'm really excited to be using to host my wedding films because I do feel like they have a better system and it just looked more professional to me. There's also another feature I saw that I have to dive more into, and that is the vendor network. From what I understand, you can add the vendors that you work with on that wedding day to your galleries. So that means when you have clients or prospects coming to look at your galleries, they not only see your work, but they see the work of all the vendors involved. And I think that's pretty awesome because that will save a huge amount of stress from the bride, and that will also help you try to work with your favorite team again, multiple times. Now, if you're worried about pricing, don't be, because Pic-Time do have multiple tiers or multiple plans. They start from $7 and they go all the way up to $50 a month. And you can pay annual or monthly. Now, if I was to start back right now, I would choose their advanced plan. That's because they give me almost everything I want, including photo and video galleries for delivery. So if you're interested in trying out Pic-Time, I'll leave a link below. So I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you get out and enjoy this beautiful weather we're having in Michigan in this wedding season. So we do have a lot of work ahead of us, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.